your daughter is now coming in the Senate, and
I'm leaving.
Yes, ulit yung tanong sa kanya na what new will she offer, since yun nga yung issue na binabato sa pamilya ninyo na parating yun at yun ang tumatakbo.
You know, I'm leaving. Manny left the Senate already, and I'm about to leave na. I'm local na lang. Si Camille na lang at si Mark. But they're young. Mark is 46, Camille is 40. They have, if they want that career, you have to give them the chance. And I truly believe that I raised them well. They can do their job well. So, what is wrong with somebody doing their job well? Like for example, Mark, when he was appointed Secretary of Public Works at 38, they said, what will he do? He's not even an engineer. And but he has a master's degree from the University of Chicago and economics degree from the University of Pennsylvania. So he made good. I think he made good in the Department of Public Works and Highway. So hindi naman siya madaldal eh, pero matrabaho. Well, I think my daughter will be able to do a good job there. Just give her a chance. Kasi katulad ng agriculture, kailangan encourage natin yung mga anak ng mga farmer na mag-farmer also. Give them a good income and encourage them to become farmer. I think mechanization will encourage them to become farmers. And I think Camille can do that. Alam mo, nagpunta ako sa, I was a guest of the Association of Farm Schools in France. France is not even an agricultural country. Pero siguro naintindihan nila na every country, it's important to have food security. And they're fond of food and they're good cooking, cooks. Yeah. So I went there. I was a guest of the Association of Farm Schools in France. And then there are thousands of farm schools in France. And I went to one farm, a 100-hectare wheat farm owned by the son of a former farmer. And I asked him, how many employees do you have? Sabi niya sa akin, I have none. I'm fully mechanized. So I'm dreaming that someday in the future, our young people will have fully mechanized farm. And we will have better agriculture. So I think Camille can do that. Encourage the young people to be better. Because she's the youngest. So, and when you talk of dynasty, they get elected. They're not appointed. So if you don't like dynasty, then don't vote for them, diba? Oh, they do not force themselves. They campaign, they get elected. If ayaw ng tao, di talo. Kung gusto ng tao at nanalo, okay rin yun, diba? I don't think it's an issue. Baka nga issue pa kung you are not able to do the job. Yung capacity mo to do the job well, that will be an issue also. Diba? Camille is a graduate of business from Ateneo de Manila and got her MBA sa ESA, one of the best business school in Europe. So, I think she can do the job well. And I think it's a matter of knowing who can do the job well.